how to deactivate Twitter account. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. But if you're new to the channel, welcome to the digital world. In this channel, we are trying to demystify the complexities of digital world by making the simple tech tutorials like this one. So if you're interested, then consider subscribing. Now here you will get the warning that while you will deactivate your account, your display name, username and public profile will no longer be visible. And secondly, it also gives you a tip that in case you want to reactivate your account or it was accidentally deactivated, you can do that within the 30 days after deactivation. And it is also saying that while some of your information may be searchable from the search engines like Google and Bing, and also that if you want to just change your username, you don't need to deactivate your account. You can just go to the setting and change your name. It also says that to use your current username or email address with a different Twitter account, you can change them before you deactivate this account. And you can also download the Twitter data before deactivating the account. But once you are sure and once you have taken all the measures and you want to deactivate, you just need to click this red or pink button on the bottom, deactivate, and your account will be deactivated. I'm not going to do that because I want to retain this account. For this, once you will open your Twitter app, on the top left hand side you need to click the avatar icon to access the setting menu, and in that you need to click the second last option, that is setting and privacy. And within the setting and privacy you need to click the account, and in the account you will need to come down right at the bottom and you will see deactivate your account. And once you will click that, you will reach this page which I have already explained. So once you want to deactivate, you can just press this one. So this is how you can deactivate the Twitter account. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.